Hello friends of the channel, I'm Dr. Nelson Marquez, and today we're going to talk about the wealth of possibilities that each fruit in nature offers us. Maybe you're drinking a coffee right now while watching this video, but have you ever wondered what it would be like to enjoy not only the beans, but the coffee fruit itself? What few people know is that the coffee fruit goes far beyond what we are used to, and one of its most surprising forms of consumption is the juice made from its pulp. Let's start with the basics. What exactly is the coffee fruit? When we think of coffee, we immediately imagine the roasted and ground beans that give rise to the drink we consume daily. However, these beans are actually the seeds of a fruit. That's right, coffee is a fruit, small, reddish, and with a pulp that is often discarded during processing. Coffee fruit juice, or cascara as it is known in some regions, is a drink prepared from this pulp. But what makes this juice so special? To answer this question, we need to take a step back and explore the history of coffee and its relationship with human health over the centuries. Coffee in human history. The history of coffee begins in Ethiopia, where, according to legend, a shepherd named Kaldi noticed that his goats became extremely energetic after eating the fruits of a specific tree. Curious, he tasted the fruits and felt a boost in his energy as well. From there, coffee began to be consumed in various forms, but mainly as an infusion of its beans. However, it is important to note that in many of the earliest uses of coffee, both the pulp and the seeds were used. African tribes, for example, mixed the pulp with animal fat to create a type of portable energy food. Later, in the Middle East, the pulp was fermented to produce an alcoholic beverage. Over time, the focus shifted almost exclusively to the coffee beans, and the pulp was neglected. But are we missing out on something by discarding this rich part of the fruit? Recent studies suggest that we are. Coffee pulp is rich in antioxidants, vitamins, and bioactive compounds that may offer impressive health benefits. What does science say about coffee berry juice? In recent years, scientists have begun to study the chemical composition of the coffee fruit in more depth, and the results are surprising. It has been discovered that the pulp contains high levels of polyphenol, which are antioxidant compounds that are extremely beneficial to the body. In addition, it is rich in fiber, which helps with intestinal health, and contains small amounts of caffeine, providing energy more gradually than traditional coffee. Now, I ask you, wouldn't it be amazing to enjoy these benefits in a simple and delicious way, like in a juice? After all, what do we look for in a beverage other than flavor and health? Why are we rediscovering coffee fruit juice? The rediscovery of coffee fruit juice is in line with a larger movement to value whole and sustainable foods. In a world where food waste is a growing problem, reusing coffee pulp to produce a nutritious beverage is an idea that makes perfect sense. In addition, drinking this juice promotes a greater connection with the origins of coffee. It reminds us that coffee is not just a bean or a drink, but a plant with multiple facets and benefits. So, how about embarking on this journey with us and finding out everything about coffee fruit juice? Throughout this text, we will explore not only the benefits of this drink, but also its indications, care instructions, and even how to prepare it at home. Get ready to transform your view on coffee and health. The coffee fruit and its historical journey. The coffee fruit, also known as the coffee cherry, has a history as rich as the drink obtained from its beans. Let's go back to the time of Ethiopian shepherds who observed their goats eating these cherries and becoming more energetic. This story, which combines curiosity and observation of nature, is just the beginning of humanity's relationship with this magical plant. Did you know that in the beginning, coffee was consumed as food? African tribes ground coffee cherries together with animal fat to create energy balls that sustained hunters and warriors during long journeys. Imagine living in that time and discovering such a powerful source of energy. This makes us wonder, what other treasures of nature have not yet been fully explored? Over the centuries, the coffee fruit has gained different uses in various parts of the world. In Asia, people began to ferment the pulp to create a drink similar to wine. In the Middle East, the fruit was used for medicinal purposes, and even today some communities use its peel to make an infusion called cascara, which has invigorating properties. The special benefits of coffee fruit juice. Coffee fruit juice, also known as cascara, is a product derived from the fruit of the coffee tree that has been gaining prominence due to its unique flavor and nutritional properties. For decades, the coffee pulp was discarded in the production process of roasted beans, but recent studies have revealed that this part of the fruit is a very rich source of bioactive compounds, vitamins, and antioxidants. Rich in powerful antioxidants. Coffee fruit juice is an abundant source of antioxidants, such as polyphenol, which help fight free radicals in the body. This helps prevent premature aging and chronic diseases, such as cardiovascular and neurodegenerative problems. It has a higher antioxidant concentration than many traditional fruit juices, such as orange and pomegranate. Natural energy booster. Although it contains a moderate amount of caffeine, coffee fruit juice provides energy in a balanced and gradual manner. Unlike traditional coffee, it avoids sudden energy spikes and drops, making it an excellent option for those looking for energy throughout the day without the side effects of excess caffeine. Promotes intestinal health. Coffee fruit is rich in soluble fiber, which helps regulate the digestive system. These fibers feed the beneficial bacteria in the intestine, promoting a healthy microbiome and improving nutrient absorption. Low-calorie content. For those looking for a refreshing and healthy drink, coffee fruit juice stands out for being low in calories. It is a great choice for those on a weight control diet, as it provides essential nutrients without compromising daily calorie intake. Natural source of vitamins and minerals. Coffee fruit juice contains vitamins such as vitamin C, which strengthens the immune system, and minerals such as potassium, which is essential for muscle function and fluid balance in the body. These nutrients are easily absorbed by the body, which makes the drink highly nutritious. Sustainable and ecological. By drinking coffee fruit juice, you also contribute to more sustainable practices in coffee production. Using the pulp, which was previously discarded, reduces waste and minimizes the environmental impacts generated by crop residues. Improves cognitive performance. Thanks to the combination of caffeine, antioxidants, and nutrients, coffee fruit juice can improve concentration, memory, and other cognitive functions. It is especially useful for those who need prolonged mental focus. Anti-inflammatory potential. The compounds present in coffee fruit juice help reduce inflammation in the body, being beneficial for people who suffer from chronic conditions, such as arthritis, or who are looking to prevent inflammatory diseases. Versatility in food. In addition to being consumed as a beverage, coffee fruit juice can be used in various recipes, such as smoothies, desserts, and sauces. This allows it to be incorporated into different gastronomic contexts, increasing its consumption possibilities. Healthy alternative to industrialized beverages. With a naturally sweet and slightly acidic flavor, coffee fruit juice does not require sweeteners or preservatives, unlike processed beverages. It offers a natural and healthier alternative for those looking to reduce their consumption of artificial products. Benefits for the skin. The antioxidants present in the juice help improve skin health, fighting damage caused by UV rays and promoting a more youthful and healthy appearance. In addition, the hydration provided by the drink contributes to more radiant skin. Support for the cardiovascular system. Studies show that the polyphenol in coffee fruit can improve heart health, reducing blood pressure and improving circulation. Regular consumption can be a natural way to protect the cardiovascular system. Indications for general health and well-being. Coffee fruit juice is a fantastic addition to the diet of those looking to improve their health naturally. Here are some practical suggestions. As a pre-workout, if you practice physical activities, consuming the juice before training can improve your performance. Moderate caffeine provides energy, while natural carbohydrates provide fuel for the muscles. Post-workout recovery. The presence of antioxidants helps combat free radicals generated during exercise, accelerating muscle recovery. For students and professionals, need to focus while studying or working. Try replacing your traditional coffee with a shot of coffee fruit juice. It provides mental clarity without causing jitters. Impact on organic systems. A detailed look. Let's take a closer look at the action of coffee fruit juice on different systems of the body. After all, each sip of this beverage acts in an integrated manner, promoting health on multiple fronts. Digestive system. Did you know that coffee fruit pulp is rich in soluble and insoluble fiber? These fibers not only regulate intestinal transit, but also feed beneficial bacteria in the intestine, strengthening the microbiome. The result? More efficient digestion and a stronger immune system. Nervous system. If you're looking for greater mental clarity and reduced fatigue, coffee fruit juice may be the answer. The combination of natural caffeine and antioxidants protects neurons and improves communication between brain cells. Immune system. The antioxidants present in the pulp help protect the body against infections and inflammation. It's as if you're strengthening your natural defenses with every sip. Precautions and possible risks in consumption. Although coffee fruit juice is a wonder of nature, it's important to consume it in moderation. Let's talk about some essential precautions. Avoid excessive caffeine. Although it's less concentrated than traditional coffee, the juice still contains caffeine. Consuming too much can lead to insomnia, irritability, and even palpitations in sensitive people. Allergies and intolerances. Some people may be allergic to compounds present in the fruit. If you have never tried it, start with a small amount and observe possible reactions. Compatibility with medication. If you are taking specific medications, consult a doctor before adding the juice to your diet. Question for you. Do you usually pay attention to your reactions when consuming new foods? This simple practice can avoid unnecessary discomfort. How to make juice. A complete step-by-step guide. Now that we know so much about the benefits and precautions, it is time to learn how to prepare coffee fruit juice at home. Here is the definitive guide. Choose the fruits. Make sure they are ripe and of good quality. Wash well. Remove dirt and residue. Extract the pulp. Use a manual juicer or knife to separate the pulp from the seeds. Blend in the blender. Combine the pulp with ice water. Add flavors. For a special touch, add mint, ginger, or a squeeze of lemon. Have you ever imagined the pleasure of drinking something that you prepared yourself, knowing all the benefits it brings? We've reached the end of this journey, but the story of coffee fruit juice is just beginning, at least for you. Think about everything we've discussed, from the rich history of coffee and its connection to cultures around the world, to the surprising benefits that the pulp of the fruit can offer. Isn't it amazing how something so simple and often discarded can have such an impact on our health and well-being? Why should we give coffee fruit juice a try? If you're still on the fence about trying this beverage, ask yourself, what do you have to lose? Coffee fruit juice is natural, nutritious, and sustainable. It combines the best of all worlds, the mild, slightly sweet flavor of the pulp with the benefits of bioactive compounds and antioxidants. Plus, it represents a paradigm shift. By drinking coffee fruit juice, we are promoting the full use of food and contributing to more sustainable practices. And that in itself is a benefit that goes beyond our personal health. Incorporate coffee fruit juice into your routine. Now it's time to put everything you've learned into practice. Try making the juice at home, share it with your family and friends, and take the opportunity to explore the different ways to consume it. Who knows, you might discover new recipes and ways to include this drink in your routine. Nature provides us with everything we need to live well and healthily. Often, we are so used to what we already know that we fail to explore other possibilities. Coffee fruit juice is one of these possibilities, an opportunity to look at coffee from a new perspective and to incorporate something new and valuable into our lives. So, here is an invitation and a challenge. Try it, feel the difference, and share this discovery. After all, health starts with conscious choices, and each small change can lead to big transformations. Transform the ordinary into the extraordinary. One fruit, one juice, a new vision of health.